Hey guys, so we're back on my channel in my aunt's garage. Got the door in there and then my Chamberlain right here. Go ahead and run these. Okay, we'll go ahead and do it. Okay. Oh, this liftmaster will go ahead and. Wait, it's locked. Oops, I dropped my iPad. Okay, go ahead and open it. Ahead and go ahead and do the outside view and just get through the knots real quick. Is there any in here? Oh, here we go. This is one of them. It's a brand new 971 with the white buttons still, which you don't see often. Well, on video it looks a bit yellow, but in real life it's like literally like gray. Okay, we'll go ahead and close it. Alright. This way. I'll do the outside on the big door. Sorry, I got distracted on something. A very quiet opener. Keep on. Go and shut this, and then that'll be it. Yeah, that door, the springs got replaced. I don't know if this one did. I'll be able to know in a second though when it shuts. I didn't check. And then I showed you the old spring on this one. Yeah, they didn't replace the spring in this door, so we'll go ahead and lock it. Okay. Guess I'll see ya in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.